Hi everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So today's video is a highly requested video. Is going to be about how to lock your credit score with Transunion for free. Okay, so if you're looking to lock your credit score and you're looking to lock your Transunion credit score, please stay tuned for more details. So how to lock your Transunion score for free. Okay, so I found that there is a website that is called TrueIdentity.com. You can go online at TrueIdentity.com to fill out your personal information and also to answer the security questions to lock your credit score. Shout out to Blanca for actually giving me this information. I know in previous videos I mentioned that I personally use a different service with Transunion that was $24.95, I believe. But this one is actually hidden in Transunion website, but it is for free. I've done this as well. I've actually signed up for it and done it before I made this video to make sure everything is working and is correct. And this is for free. And I wanted to give you these gems. So shout out to Blanca for that. Also, to do this credit unlock or lock, there is a time where you have to do it. So you have to activate your credit lock service during the following hours. So Monday through Saturday, 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. Central Time, and Sunday, 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Central Time. So you cannot unlock or lock your credit score during the times that's not listed there. So just keep in mind, if you're watching this video not during these times, it will show you a temporarily down logo, which is right here on the right screen. If you do activate your credit lock, which meaning you're unlocking or locking your credit score during these hours, then you can see that there's going to be a lock where you can unlock or you can lock, so it have like a status. So just keep in mind of that, okay? Please note that if you try to lock your credit and you already have a security freeze on your account, that you will not be able to lock your credit, okay? So just make sure if you're locking your credit that you don't have a security freeze on your account. And you can also unfreeze your account before you lock your credit just by calling them, and then you can do this process and lock your credit. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. So why lock your credit? I know that I have a lot of videos on locking your credit hacks, especially for Navy Federal. So I just want to go over, if you guys don't know already, if you haven't been following me, you just found this video, why locking your credit is beneficial and why I'm going over this. So if you are part of Navy Federal, you can lock your Transunion score, so Navy Federal can pull from your EQUIFAX, right? And this is usually done to get a credit limit increase with them. So this is a lock the score hack, okay? So basically that's why we're locking your Transunion score. If most likely you will want to lock your Transunion score if your Transunion score is lower than your EQUIFAX score. Now you can do so if you want to lock your EQUIFAX score and use your Transunion score. You can also do that as well. However, as of October 1st, I mentioned that there will be pulling from Transunion. However, I have been getting some comments that they're pulling from Transunion already. So, you may want to, try locking your scores to see which one they're going to pull from. But as of October 1st, there definitely will be pulling from Transunion. So, good luck. Also, do not freeze your credit. This will result into an instant denial. So locking your score is different than freezing your score. So just keep in mind that you know that and that you don't freeze your credit thinking that it's going to be locked. It will block the lender to actually get your credit, because locking your score, it really is for them to make a soft pull rather than a hard pull. So they still pull your credit, it's just a soft pull. Freezing your credit will block them entirely to even accessing your credit. So that will lead to an instant denial, and then you'll either get a follow-up email or a follow-up response saying we're unable to access your credit. Please unfreeze your credit profile. So to avoid all that, just don't freeze your credit, lock your credit. Okay?
Hi everyone, this is DesignerSoapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me on Instagram at DesignerSoapbox.com, and make sure you check out those ebooks on how to remove the late payments and remove those hard inquiries, etc. And make sure you follow me, guys. Check out the community tab for more details on what I am currently doing and currently offering, and all of the latest juicy details. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.